Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to stream Amazon Prime over Discord so you can host a watch party with your friends. As a brief disclaimer, this is not a way to get Amazon Prime for free. This is not a way to circumvent Amazon's login requirements or do anything nefarious. This is just a guide on how to hold a watch party with your friends, just like you would sitting at home on the couch. With that out of the way, this guide should show you how to stream audio from Amazon Prime, along with fix any black screen issues you might be having, which have been increasing recently. You'll also want to be using Firefox as your browser for this because it just cuts out a lot of different problems that you can run into. So the first thing we need to do in order to stream from Firefox while watching Amazon and get the audio is we need to stream from it like it was a game. So I'm going to hop in to a random voice channel and I'm going to go into my user settings in the lower left-hand corner here. And then down here at the bottom, there is a registered games section. I'm going to go to the top here. I'm going to manually add Firefox as a game so that Discord detects it as if I'm playing a video game, and then I can click this button down here in the left next to where it says Firefox, watching Space Wars or whatever movie. And then I can click on this button, and then it will allow me to stream from the browser as if I was playing a game. Now, people in the channel with me should be able to both see the video and also hear the video. It's quite loud, so I'm not going to play very much of it, but I wanted you to be able to tell that audio is happening. And then you should be good to go. Now, I understand recently there have been some changes made to some of these streaming platforms that make it so that you're still getting a black screen issue when you try to stream this to your friends. You can see it, but they can't. There's a pretty simple way to work around that. We go to our Firefox settings, and at the top, we type in hardware. And then we untick use recommended performance settings, and then we're going to disable hardware acceleration. Then after you restart Firefox, you should then be able to see the video both on your screen and then also in your preview window when you stream it over Discord. So if you can see it in Discord, that means that other people can see it too when you can see it in your own video preview. Then from there, you might be able to, run this in full screen mode. That way it removes like the top bar from the top of the screen so that, you make the most out of your real estate when streaming a video. But that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this one helps you to host a watch party with your friends over the holidays. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.